Hello, in this video I'll show you how to change the engine oil, the oil filter and the air filter on Volkswagen Touareg 2 liters TDI. First we'll start by unscrewing the oil cap, and next we're going to removing the oil filter, which is just there. We're using socket size 32 in order to remove the oil filter cap. If the video is useful, please like and subscribe. And that's the oil filter out. Next we need to remove the covers under the engine so that we can get to the oil drain plug. And that's the oil drain plug right there. We'll remove the drain plug and we'll wait for the oil to drain. Now that the oil is drained, we can put the plug back on. Next we're going to put on the new oil filter and replace the O-ring. Next we're going to put the filter on the car and tighten it. Next, we'll see what the technical specs are for this car. The fluid capacity, the engine oil capacity is 8.3 liters, 530 oil, and the classification of the oil is Volkswagen 507. So now we're going to start filling the oil. So since the oil capacity is 8.3 liters, we're going to put 8 liters in it and then check the oil dipstick. If the level is okay on the oil dipstick, then we're going to start the car so that the oil filter gets filled in with oil, and then the level on the dipstick will drop, and then we'll measure the level of the oil again. Next, we'll check the level on the dipstick again and fill in as needed. So we're gonna check again under the dipstick and it looks good. So that's it, we're finished with changing the oil. Next we're going to change the air filter. The air filter is located right there on the side of the engine. There's a couple of clips that we need to remove and move the air filter box to the side, like towards the engine, and then making a space so that we can pull out the air filter. Now we're going to put on the new air filter and then close the air filter box. Now we're going to close the air filter box and we're done. Thank you for watching.